Good morning. This is Damon with Connect Electric, and this is your tip of the day. We get a lot of calls about knob and tube wiring. One, no, it's not the safest because the insulation that's on the knob and tube wiring is a cloth and it dries easily, so it can be easily damaged. Two, when they used to wire your home with this system, they did it back like in the 30s and the 40s. So some of the splices and joints are not in junction boxes. It's just in free air or behind your walls. So it can be hard to identify an issue if there is an issue. And you definitely don't want a problem like a fire or something like that starting. And three, it's just, if it does get nicked, it can create, if you're in your attic or something, walking around or putting stuff in different places, it could cause electrical shock. Give us a call if you want it replaced, if you want it looked at, even if we do an electrical inspection on it, see if it's, still usable. We can do that as well. Thanks.